Hi, it's Mikhail. I hope you're well. Today we're going to be talking about a product that comes straight from BloomLED. It's the SpectraWILD S240. Let's go. Now let's turn on the lights. Before anything, I have a present for you, but if you want to discover it, you have to stay until the end of the video. BloomLED is a French company that develops LED lighting for your indoor culture. Here we have the SpectraWILD range. It is equipped with the best components for better performances for your plants. The design is rather nice. It is equipped with 4 LED bars for 60 watts, which are composed of Samsung LEDs from the last generation. Unlike most of its competitors, it has a UV and infrared, which will allow it to improve plant development, improve fruit flavor, aroma, and increase plant root mass, so it will give you a full spectrum for plant growth and flowering. The SpectraWILD can illuminate a maximum area of 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters at a power consumption of 240 watts. The S240 bars are IP65 compliant and are protected against dust and water jets. As you can hear, it's super quiet because it doesn't have a fan running, but even with that, it heats up a lot less than other types of lights. The product measures 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters, so it's suitable for a 60 centimeter by 60 centimeter cubicle at least. Now, I told you about the S240, but in the same range, you can find the M720, which is bigger, and the L960, which is even bigger. And in addition to that, to manage all of these lights, you have a management console which will allow you to manage up to 200 lights at the same time. You will be able to simulate a sunrise and a sunset or create lighting cycles. I hope you enjoyed this video. The final gift is a 5% discount code on the S240. It's hidden in this video. This was Mikhail. Don't forget to use the blue button, leave a comment, and activate the bell. Ciao!